Hey, what's up, guys? How you all are doing? So, today's news is Red Chilies. No, it's not Red Chilies. East Bengal in talks with international FMCG company for the next sponsorship. Yes, over the past few days, speculations have been rife that Indian film production and distribution company Red Chilies Entertainment will be the principal sponsors of Kolkata football giants East Bengal FC as they seek an entry into the ISL. However, it seems not to be true as the bridge can confirm that Shah Rukh Khan owned company are not going to be associated with red and golds for the future tie-up. When asked about the recent rumors regarding East Bengal's new investor, a top East Bengal official on the condition of anonymity told the bridge Red Chilies is not at all the company we are in talks for the investment. People started to think about them as our probable investor after the chief minister's involvement, but I can assure that this is not true. Ms. Banerjee is helping us a lot with the necessities at this moment, and we are awaiting for the final talks with a potential investor after this lockdown. It all started when Qs Corp, the current investor of East Bengal club, announced that they will terminate their agreement at the end of the season. Over the last couple of months, ever since Mohun Bagan merged with ATK FC and secured a pathway to ISL, rumors have been doing the rounds that Kolkata Giants bought by potential investor and are gearing up for their long-awaited entry into the league as well. When asked about the expected sponsorship and investment structure, the official made a clear statement about the club's preference. He said it will not be a multi-sponsor deal, rather it will be a proper and complete investment from the companies we are talking with. The club in talks with an international fast-moving consumer goods, yes, FMCG company, and we expect things to be finalized soon. The official further added, we are aware of the stipulated time before which we have to announce our future plans, and we believe we can come up with all the necessary requirement for the ISL entry very soon. The official further added, we are aware of the stipulated time before which we have to announce our future plans, and we believe we can come up with all the necessary requirements for the ISL entry very soon. QS East Bengal FC, the entry formed after East Bengal's tie-up with QS, is all set to dissolve on 31st May, and the club is expected to make further statements about its future after that. Besides, East Bengal has almost finished their domestic players recruitment for the upcoming season and are in talks with some foreign players whom they will confirm once the government and AIFF comes up with the detailed guidelines regarding the post-pandemic working visa. It is expected that the things are going to have more clarity in a couple of weeks as the lockdown situation gradually eases across the country. So that's it from this news. What do you feel that whether Red Chilies is going to be one of the company who is going to sponsor East Bengal in future, or the FMCG company they are in talk with? Do let us know in the comment section your thoughts. Okay, and do hit the like button if you are new to this channel, and do hit the subscribe button as well. We'll catch up in the next one.